You can't even imagine what happens.
Hi, I'm with Serbian Wolf. Now he's packing his stuff and leaving for we don't know how long.
Okay. We have a problem. I get into the car we use for the travel. I tried to move it forward to open the back to put my luggages inside. And I have a problem when starting the car. I have a message. The left beam is dead. We have to change it right now because we can't travel with this problem. I go to my apartment to take some stuff to repair it and we'll try to change it in live right now. Let's go. Now we can go to repair that thing. I have all the stuff needed and I will move the car into the sunlight to see better what I'm doing. Let's go. We got it. Here is the new one. Okay. And I think we're done. See it on the mirror. Oh shit. Can you hear me? 1 2 1 2. I think everything is okay. So let's see if everything is done with the car. Okay, it seems wonderful. Usrao sam se. I've lost a very important part in the down side of the car and this is the shit for finding it. I cut the video, I will try to find it and see again. As you have seen, I lost the small round. It fell down and the problem is in that car you have like a floor, so it's on the floor of the car, so we can't keep it. I will try to drive very fastly in the back direction and to brake very hard to try to move the small part and maybe it will throw down. Let's try it right now. You can't even imagine what happens. I have done the thing. Look at this. Oh, I'm so happy we can fix it right now. Okay, now we're done. Everything is perfect, now we can travel. Okay, we finished the mission. We have done the incredible thing. We changed the light and found the small thing. We can continue packing all the luggages for Serbia. Do you want to say something?
Subscribe, click on the like button, it's important.
Click on the like button, it's important.